Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Khuram Janjua, your Ielts examiner. Let's take a start. Uh, what's your good name?
My name is Muhammad Abdullah.
Okay, Abdullah, can I see your ID?
Yes.
Okay. Abdullah, where are you from?
I am from Jhelum. It is very historical city. Is situated near the river Jhelum.
Okay. How long have you been in Jhelum?
I have been in Jhelum since my childhood.
Okay. Did you get your early education from the same city?
Yes, I get my early education from the same city.
I got
my early education from the same city. My institution name is Government Tabligh Islam High School, Jhelum. Okay. Then I go for further studies in Bahriya Foundation.
I went for
further studies.
Okay. Do you work or study?
I am a student. At that moment, I am studying in University of Gujarat. I am studying a master's in organic chemistry.
Okay. How do you pass your leisure time?
I pass my leisure time with my family. It is joyful for me, and it satisfies my soul to spend time with my family and communicate with my mother and father.
Okay. Do you like hoteling or domestic food?
I am keen on having domestic food. Domestic food are very healthy, clean, and I know that's made by my mother hand, and my mother loves also scattered in that food.
Okay. Do you love to watch movies?
No, I love to watch documentaries, not movies.
Okay. When do you normally go to the historical places?
I am fond of I adore to go historical places like Rohtas Fort, like Mangla Dam. Mangla Dam is also very historical place. It was built in 1960s or 1950s. It was a huge masterpiece of architects. That was world's third biggest mud dam.
Okay. Have you ever visited to any foreign country?
Yes, I visited China. Okay.
So how long did you stay there?
I stayed there for 1 month approximately.
Okay. So how did you find the Chinese culture?
Their culture was very wide and good. They are very honest people. They have many cultural things like Dragon Festival, like holidays festival. They take many holidays in years.
Okay, now let's come toward part 2. I'm going to give you the topic. The topic is describe a situation when you helped someone. What the situation was and who was the person and how you helped him. Okay, you have 1.5 minutes to prepare the topic, and after you have to speak.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's take a start.
There is no exercise better than the heart than reaching down and lifting up the people. I am very social person. I have been donating my blood from since 2017. I am active blood donor. It was I was studying in Bukhari College, Jhelum. My friend, my best friend came to me and he said to me his niece was suffering from anemia. So you have to donate your blood. I was underage. I was approximately 17 years old, and my father prohibited me to donate blood. Prohibited me to donate blood. But I am very curious to help someone. So that's why I came with him in a DHQ hospital and donated my blood. That's give me a goosebump and spiritual relaxation to my soul.
Okay. Have you ever helped any old man in your life?
Yes, I helped old men many times. I was helped them to cross the road. I helped them to reach any market or as well as any public areas.
Okay. What is the nature of the people of our country? Do they help others?
The possibilities are 50-50. Some people are very curious to help someone, some people are in reserved nature, and some people are totally don't want to help someone, any person.
Do you think nowadays people have become more materialistic as compared to the past?
Yes, in past we have to pain in our heart for helping someone, but in new era there is no pain for helping someone other. It is materialistic. Everyone is following the material to catch them, to hack them.
Do you think that when you help someone, we can get the infinite blessings of Almighty?
Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said there is no power that decrease your money if you donate the money. It is the blessing of Allah. A biggest blessing of Allah gives you from donations, from your donations. Donation gives you mentally helpful, spiritually helpful. It increase your soul life.
Okay, so very well done, Abdullah. You have You have done wonderfully. You gave very elaborated answers.
Thank you, sir.
And you have to maintain this spirit. And I rate you 6.5 bands.
Inshallah.
And inshallah, definitely you will touch this figure. Take a great care of yourself. All the best.
Okay. Thank you, sir.